Question 54. The statements below describe a regional organization in Africa. 1. It has the largest number of membership. 2. It was formed in 1994. 3. It has its headquarters in Lusaka, Zambia. The organization described above is A. The Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA. B. The Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. C. The South African Development Community, SADC, or D. The Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD. COMESA was established when a treaty was signed on November 5, 1993, in Kampala, Uganda, and then ratified the following year in Lilongwe, Malawi, on December 8, 1994. It replaced the former Preferential Trade Area, PTA, that existed in 1981. COMESA offers its members and partners a wide range of benefits which include a wider, harmonized and more competitive market, greater industrial productivity and competitiveness, increased agricultural production and food security. COMESA member states are Burundi, Comoros, Democratic Republic of Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, Eritrea, Eswatini, Ethiopia, Kenya, Libya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Rwanda, Seychelles, Somalia, Sudan, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Hence the answer is A.